guys! So, ayun nga, galing nga ako sa YouTube event kanina. So, binigyan nila kami ng pillow na Shopee! Ayan. And then, ito yung bag nila na this one. Ang bigat! So, yan guys. YouTube shopping, guys. So, pwede na rin kayo mag-affiliate. So, meron po kaming mangwan na pinili ko pusit kasi allergic ako sa shrimp konti. So, you go look, oh. We have Mr. Chips. Oh, we have this Colgate Optic White. Makakatipid kami niyan. At meron, oy, Bactidol. Kailangan ko to dahil nag-live selling ako. Nivea. And then, I got 2 lotion. Naku, kailangan ko talaga. Yan. And look. Makakatipid po kami. Salamat po, YouTube. May Bactidol.
I want that for my lover.
Yeah, and then yung bago ng Maybelline na, ayan, Sunkissed. And then, I got this for you of lotion for the mosquito.
Mom, don't bring the YouTube bag to flex because
I'm not flexing.
People will steal it.
No, don't
you know
worry.
how rare that is?
Yeah. Listerine, marami pong salamat. At may L'Oreal. Oy, finally, matatry ko tong L'Oreal na lipstick nila. Kasi medyo, ano na. Oh, Daddy, may vitamin C serum tayo. From Garnier. Oh, Daddy, oh. Ito, anti-acne for men. Oh, for men. Meron din si Daddy. Lalagay ko yan sa, sa basket, guys. I-share ko sa inyo. Plus, C2 Freeze Melon.
I need that.
And wait lang, meron tayong calamansi.
That's for Dad. Calamansi.
Oh, that's for that calamansi. We have C2 Dalandan.
Oh, no, I don't want that. I want that.
I want that. Okay.
I want the orange.
And then, try natin to sa Saturday with the Sis Ivy. Meron silang ganito. Vanilla latte. Yung pinili ko eh. Tapos, Nescafe. Great taste. For coffee. And then, this one, meron ako nito kanina. Creator ID. Accelerator. Kayo na suot-suot. I got this. So, I have a Lisa. You can have that if you want. We have multivitamins na Stress Tab, Centrum, konti na lang guys, Advil, Sensodyne, finally, matatry ko na rin siya. Oy, I have a book.
Toothpaste, oh.
May book tayo, makatipid tayo, Daddy. May ball pen, and a last one is this one. I don't know what's this, pero thank you po. Marami pong salamat. So, kung gusto nyo, interested po kayo dito, ilalagay ko po sa basket dito. Dito na talaga mismo, guys, yung basket. Hindi na kayo pupunta sa description box or kung saan man. Dito na po, i-check out nyo na yung mga gusto nyo. I-check nyo yung mga gusto nyo. Ilalagay ko na po yung basket dito. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching.